Hi everyone, good day to you all. How are you? Hope all of you are fine, and I am also fine. Thank you, sir, for giving me a chance to say something. At first, I would like to dance to our honorable chairman, respected teacher and guardian, my dear brother and sister. Assalamu alaikum. I would like to introduce myself. Inform you. My name is Arman. I am from Darkazuli. But I live in Darkazuli. I am a student of class Darkazuli. The name of Madrasa is Markaz Sunnah Hakimul Ummah Qawmi Madrasa. My father's name is Abdul Wahid. He is a farmer. I have two brothers and one sister. I would like to be responsible for Islam in my future. That's all for me. For the time, thank you so much. For your kind accompanying work, inshallah, self or children, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.